So today let us try to know what is autobiography. This word autobiography, it is derived from Greek word. Okay, originally this word has been taken from Greek language and it is a Greek word. Autos, bios, graphene. Autos, bios, graphene. So now this word can be divided into three parts. Three parts, that is autos, bios, graphene. PHEIN. Autobios, graphene. Auto means self, bios means that is life, and graphene means to write. So now in the same way we also divide this word autobiography into three parts. Auto, biography. Auto means self, bio means life, and graphy means to write. So autobiography means a story, that is a story of personal experiences and achievements of writer's own life, that is writer's own life story. Auto, self, bio, life, and graphy, story, autobiography. So autobiography means, okay, in short, a story of personal experiences or personal achievements, that is success or failure, both kinds of achievements. Writer's own life means a writer writes his own life, success or failure, or all kinds of experiences, may be bitter or may be sweet. Whatever he felt in his past, in his life, he pours out his heart and he expresses all kinds of his personal experience. Means this kind of writing is written by the writer himself. So this is called autobiography. Autobiography, of course, it is a prose device in which the writer writes the story of his own life. Okay, the writer writes his life, his own life, about himself. So we can say that it is an account or it is a record of a writer's own life, of writer's own personal life. It presents autobiography. It presents a continuous narrative of events. Because it is an autobiography, so it gives a systematic narration of events, of incidents in the life of an author, whatever took place in his life. So that is autobiography. According to Longfellow, what is autobiography? Autobiography is a product of first-hand experience. On the contrary, biography, we can say that a second-hand knowledge, right? This is the definition of autobiography given by Longfellow. Autobiography is a product or a creation or a writing of first-hand experience. To the contrary, biography is a product of second-hand knowledge. Dr. Samuel Johnson, he preferred autobiography to biography. And Dr. Samuel Johnson, what he says, no man's life could be better written than himself, because there is no any other man who knows better the life of a particular person than himself. So no man's life could be better written than himself. So this is why that he preferred autobiography to biography. So now just have a look at the examples of autobiography. And first of all, that an autobiographer, he should be impartial, whatever he is writing, whatever he is presenting, because he is taking his readers into his confidence, and the readers, whatever an autobiographer is presenting, a reader believes in that. So the particular thing is that an autobiographer should be impartial, means he should not be partial, or he should not try to hide the truth, the reality. Whatever is the truth, It may be sweet or it may be bitter, but he must try to tell everything to his reader because his reader believes in him whatever he tells through his writing. And of course, he should never try to conceal anything from his reader. So this was the first quality of an autobiographer, that he should be impartial and he should be very, very truthful and very realistic at the time of giving the account of his life. So now the first example of the self-expression, it was found in Saint Augustine's Confessions. Saint Augustine's Confessions, Rousseau's Confessions, and it was published under the same title, that is Confessions, in 18th century. Milton, his autobiographical note are also in his Paradise Lost, in his epic, and it said that Milton is in every line of his Paradise Lost. William Wordsworth, a nature poet, a romantic poet, his Prelude, it is also supposed to be a spiritual autobiography. Even the Bunyan, John, that is Bunyan, and his grace abounding to the chief of sinners, it is also supposed to be an autobiography. And Charles Dickens, David Copperfield, this novel Sons and Lovers of D.H. Lawrence, there are a lot of autobiographical note in David Copperfield, and it is said that he wrote this novel, David Copperfield, with his own blood. Adolf Hitler's Mein Kampf, it is also supposed to be an autobiography. Other writers are Rudyard Kipling. There are so many writers: Leigh Hunt, Benjamin Franklin, Edward Gibbon, H.G. Wells, David Hume, Winston Churchill, and Henry Adams, Scenes O'Casey, John Stuart Mill, Anthony Trollope. There are so many writers who has written autobiography or whose writings have that is maybe little or much more autobiographical note. And Indian autobiographies are Mahatma Gandhi's My Experiments with My Truth, and even Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's also Discovery of India. So all these are the autobiography.